special sample superstore subset using orders and return sheets, find the percentage of sales return in 2013 caused by customers who joined in 2013. By reading the question, we can identify that it is asking us to find the sales return in 2013, but for those customers whose first purchase was 2010. Let's see how we can solve this. I have already loaded Excel file. Since the question requires to find the sales return percentage, let's connect orders and returns table. They will be automatically connected based on the order ID. Let's go to the solution. We have to write one calculation to identify the customer's first purchase date. Write a calculation. Customer first purchase year. We'll use here fixed LOD, fixed based on the customer name. Find the minimum order date, and from the minimum order date, like minimum order date means it will be the first purchased year of the customer, and let's identify the year part only from the date so that we can use it in the filter or we can use it in the view. So this is a calculation. Let's convert it as a dimension. Now what we need to do is let's put order date on the columns, and let's put now sales on the text, or maybe here let's put it as a bar graph. And now we need to put sales. Sales is already there. We need to identify the customer's first purchase year. We have to make it as a dimension. Okay, so these are the different colors like 2013, and we have to make this percentage of total, and let's try to make this as a table down so that we can get 100%. If I put it label here, so we can see 2010 is a blue color, and in 2013 what is the share of blue color is 18.66, which represents that there are 18.6% of sales return made in 2013 by the customers who joined us in 2010. So this is how we can identify the solution of this question using fixed LOD. Thank you very much.